What's good, traders? I hope you guys are doing well. A lot has been happening in the last 2 weeks, but I'm back and let's get into trading. Now, I took a trade yesterday. Today's on Wednesday. I took a trade yesterday. I'm still in the trade. Looks like a losing trade, but I'm in negative. It went a bit in profit, then it's back into the red. But I will also talk about the prop firm I'm using now, and I will also give an update on what's going on with Monevis. First off, let's look at this trade. It went all the way up during the night and it dropped back, so I don't know what's going to happen really. I'm just holding the trade right now. But it was a good setup. Absolutely. Now, when we look at USD card, I've been watching USD card since Monday. We opened the week around here. I could not get a good entry around here, so I'm just waiting to see if we will break above 1.375, and I will look for this move, this continuation. Is it a continuation of whatever it is? But yeah, that's the update. I'm risking 2% on the account. Let's talk about the prop firms, right? Now, the prop firm I'm using now is the prop trade. Now, I need to say some things here. First off, it's not cheap, okay? Because I heard some people talking about cheap is expensive. There's nothing cheap about this prop firm. The smallest account goes for $55. This goes for $55. If you go for the Pro, it's $65. So the smallest account is $55. So before you talk about cheap is expensive, there's nothing cheap about it, okay? But I would say the 10K account, from 10K going up, the prices are very standard, but the 5K is a bit overpriced, I would say. But like I said before, for me, I don't judge. This is a new prop firm. It's a relatively new prop firm. Has been around for like 6 to 8 months around there, but I'm not sure about that. But I'm sure it has been around for more than 6 months, and it's not very popular, but it's picking up. And for me, I don't judge prop firms based on how long they've been around, and I base my judgments on rules and payouts. Okay, if you have good rules for me, I can change my way of trading to fit into a prop firm. And also, if you give payouts, that's all I need. And I've not seen any case of payout denials or from the prop trade. And also, another good thing is you can pay directly using M-Pesa, and also you can get paid through M-Pesa. Like if you want to receive a payout, you can get it directly to M-Pesa, and also when you're getting the challenge, you can pay it directly from M-Pesa. It's not a long process like the other prop firms that require you to do Rise or Wise or crypto. This one, you get it directly. And also another thing, I'm not in any partnership with them, so I'm not because I've seen some people trying to say that, but I'm not in any partnership with them. But I have an affiliate link in the description. You can sign up if you want. You can get an account after you go through the rules, but make sure you understand the rules. Like I always say, look at the rules before getting an account. But if you decide to get an account, I have the link in the description. You can click on it and sign up, and the affiliate program is available for everyone, but I'm not in any partnership with them. The same with Monevis. I was not in any partnership with them. I'm still not. In short, I'm not in any partnership with anything or any prop firm or anything. But I've had quite a number of proposals for partnerships, but I don't accept them because most of them, I don't have any problem with having a partnership, but most of them require me to do some things that I'm not really willing to do. I've heard actually some prop firms, very top prop firms, offering to help me pass the challenge, get certificates and everything. But that is something I cannot sacrifice my trading career or journey for money, for quick money. I'm not that type of person. So, and talking about partnerships, I did a review. I saw someone complaining that I did a review. I can review anything. Okay, so if you have a problem with me doing a review, I don't know what you're going to do to solve that problem, because it's not my problem. I can do any review any day. Depends on whether I'm willing to do it or not. But for reviews, I can do any day, any day. It's not the last review I'm doing, so and I don't see why one would have a problem with a review. But before I forget about Monevis, there is an upcoming. The CEO is going to talk about the situation tomorrow, I think, and they have a live meeting. I'm going to join that meeting actually and hear what they have to say. But I'm still trading the account. I have a 5K account with the PropTrade and a 10K account with Monevis, but the main account right now is the account with the PropTrade, and I'm risking 2% on each account. My standard risk is 1%, but I'm going to be risking 2% for now and see what's going to happen with these two accounts. But Monevis, they have a meeting tomorrow. I will join it and see what they have to say. They say all the payouts will be released after the meeting. I don't know if that's true, but we're going to see. But I still cannot recommend getting accounts with Monevis for now until they solve. For me, I don't have any issues with any prop firm as long as you pay. If they pay all the pending payouts, they're good to go. I can actually get another account with them, but they have to pay all the pending payouts. So that's it for now. I will update you guys on the trade later today or maybe tomorrow. But I can see it's starting to reject the level, so hopefully we will reverse from that level, but let's wait and see. Alright, about 4 hours later, the trade has flipped. It's now in profit. And I forgot to mention that the prop trade is using Trade Locker, not MT5 or MT4. Actually, I'm liking Trade Locker. I have used the Match Trader before, but I did not like it. But I'm liking Trade Locker. I'm going to show you. So there's the trade. I believe in this trade as much as the take profit is a bit too far, but I will deal with that when we get there. I will set an alert around here that in case we get there, and I will decide whether to keep the take profit there, or to drop it below the level. But for now, I'm holding the trade. I have not break even yet on USD card. You can see we have. So I'm waiting to see how the price is going to react here. If we break down, I'll be watching these levels. But for now, I'm only watching GBP USD. Now about the prop trade, they're using Trade Locker. This is Trade Locker. So this is what the trading platform looks like. They have trading view integration, so that if you want to do your analysis, you can do it directly on the chart. As you can see, I have the trade in profit there, and this is also the same trade on Monevis. I'm up about 1.5%. The entry on this account was a bit higher than the original entry, but everything is good. So I will update you guys in the evening, 8 p.m. at the same day, and the trade is almost at 1 to 2. I'm holding the trade, but I'm going to break even because we have hit 1 to 2, which is usually my break even point. So let me. Alright, this is account on Monevis. I'm going to. Right, and this one, I'm still learning on how to use it, but Right now my stop loss is at break even. There's a trade. I will update you guys tomorrow maybe in the evening, because in the morning I have some things to do. So that's it, man. Let's hope this trade will hit the profit. Once we get to the level here at 1.36, this level, I might decide to close the trade at 1 to 2 based on how we will react to the level. So we are on Thursday at 8 p.m. and the trade hit take profit for 1 to 3. So this is what happened. This was a 1 to 3, 30 pip stop loss and a 90 pip target. Like I said before, I was very confident in this trade. First off, we are above the 100 EMA on the 4-hour time frame, but that's not very important. If you look at the lower time frame, which is the 1 hour, we were rejecting from the 100 EMA, and that's exactly where my entry was. The same with the 15-minute time frame. So I had another setup today. Let me hide this one. Alright, I had another setup at noon today. This setup would have actually enabled me to pass one of the accounts phase 1, but I did not take it. The open or the close of this 4-hour candle is a bit above the entry that I wanted by only like 3 pips. And let me show you my... First off, on Monevis, as you can see, I'm up 6.4%, around 6%, and this was the trade. Oh, and I will talk about the update on Monevis, what's going on. Now, this is the account on the prop trade, and as you can see, I'm up about $300, which is 6%. I followed the live session that the CEO was doing, and I believe they will be back. I still believe they will be back. So let's hope everything will be fine. Now tomorrow we have NFP. I don't think I'm going to trade, but if I get a setup, I will, of course. But that's the update for this week. Has been a good week, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.